Hello everyone, welcome to Technosavvys Education Technology. Today we are back with a quick dip into artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a field of computer science and engineering that aims to create machines and software systems. It can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as speech recognizer, understanding natural language, making decisions, and learning from experience. The goal of artificial intelligence is to develop intelligent machines that can think, reason, and act like humans, and to use these machines to solve complex problems and improve our lives in various ways. Artificial intelligence is used in a wide range of applications such as personal assistants like Siri and Alexa, recommender system for e-commerce and content platform, autonomous vehicles, medical treatments, fraud detection in financial service, productive maintenance in manufacturing, weather forecasting, video and image recognition. There are several branches of artificial intelligence, machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics. The development of artificial intelligence has the potential to transform various industries and improve our daily lives in many ways. However, there are also concerns about the impact of AI on jobs, privacy, and ethics. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve and become more advanced, it is important for us to consider the ethical implications and ensure that the technology is used for the greater good. Thank you.